Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to discuss about certain cardiovascular system topic related to nursing exams. So this is from PR Yadav book. This will be very useful for you for the nursing exams. Today I am going to discuss certain main topics. Question answer discussion. Question is the transportation system of the body is, we already know that transportation system, mainly the body's transportation system is cardiovascular system. It transport the blood. So it is the answer. All of the following are organs of lymphatic system except, okay, we know that the lymphatic system include lymphatic vessels that collect the tissue fluid and return it to the blood, mainly lymph capillaries, larger vessels, thoracic duct, and right lymphatic duct, lymph nodes and nodules, and there are also spleen and thymus. These are the lymphatic system, mainly consists of these are the lymphatic system. So, tonsils is in lymphatic system, thymus is in lymphatic system, spleen is in lymphatic system, and also pairs, patches. These are also present in lymphatic system. So, D. Okay, answer is D. None of the above. Okay, all organs are belongs to lymphatic system. Lymphatic system means lymphatic vessels that collect tissue fluid and return it to the blood. Okay. To return it to the blood, lymph nodes and nodules, spleen and thymus. It mainly includes these organs. Okay. The purpose of lymph nodes is to trap dash. Okay, that's a question. And lymph nodes are thousands of small kidney-shaped lymphoid organs that lies at intervals along the lymphatic vessels which filter lymph. As lymph flows to the lymph nodes, antigens trapped and destroyed by the macrophages by direct phagocytosis. So, when the lymph flows through these lymph nodes, the antigens trapped and destroyed by macrophages. Okay, so the macrophages. Okay, macrophages traps antigens. Okay, here the question is what they will trap. So that is answer is antigen. That is option A. Okay, who when it is question is answered who, there is macrophages by direct phagocytosis. Okay. Okay, next question. The failure in lymphatic system to return body fluids adequately resulting. Okay, the failure in lymphatic system. Okay, there is a failure in lymphatic system to return body fluids adequately. That will result in, answer is edema in the spleen. Okay, edema in the spleen. We already know that lymphatic system lymph flows to the spleen, tonsils, and lymph. Okay, we already know that thymus. So when there is a not adequate return of fluid, that result in the edema of the spleen. Okay, apex beat is felt at which the intercostal space is dash. So that is fifth. Okay, apex beat is felt at which intercostal space, that is fifth. Okay, fifth intercostal space we will beat apex. Apex of the heart and is pointed end of the heart inferiorly is formed by the tip of the left ventricle and rest of the diaphragm. Apex is situated at the left fifth intercostal space in the mid clavicular line. Apex heartbeat, that is mainly the sound of mitral valve. Okay, it is normally felt in the fifth intercostal space. That's only then in the mid clavicular line. Okay, then just below the nipple. The apex of the heart is formed mostly form which organ? Okay, mostly form that's by left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle, we already know that left fifth intercostal space, it is mostly formed by left ventricle. Okay, and rest of by the diaphragm. Okay, then oscillatory area in the left mid clavicular line at the level of fifth intercostal space is dash area. That is mitral. We already know that the mitral valve sound is that apex beat. So mitral valve area is that is fifth intercostal space. Okay, apical pulse is assessed by placing the diaphragm of the stethoscope at the area of a dash. Okay, that is mitral area. We already know that. Same questions are asking in a different ways. Okay, the apical impulse of the heart is normally felt in dash. That is already know that left to fifth intercostal space. Apical felt at, okay, felt at which area? Left side of the heart. We already know left to fifth intercostal space. Okay. Cardiac muscles different from skeletal muscles by dash. By the automaticity and conductivity. Okay, cardiac muscle different from skeletal muscles by dash. That is automaticity and conductivity. Okay, that is highly conductive and automatic. Automaticity. It is automatically. It is a perform automatically. So automatic and conductivity. Okay. Cardiac muscle different from because cardiac muscles have consistent specialized cardiac muscle fibers. Okay, there is cardiac muscles are specialized cardiac muscle fibers which are called autorhythmic fibers, which is self excitability. We already know that these cardiac muscles have self excitability, so it is automatically, it is performed automatically. And that is fast conductibility in presence of gap function. Which of the following is not a function of fibrous skeleton of the heart? Okay, which of the following below is not a function of fibrous skeleton of heart? Okay, fibrous means skeleton means cardiac skeleton. Okay, not a function. Answer is C. Conducts impulse from artery to ventricle. Okay, that is not a function of the cardiac fibrous skeleton. Okay, other all things are we already first option act as a point of insertion for cardiac muscle fibers. That's correct. Conduct forms structural foundation. That's correct. D prevents the overstructuring of valves. Okay, that's all correct. So C option is the incorrect one. Innermost layer of the heart. We already know that there are three layers of heart. Innermost layer is endocardium. Okay, endocardium is the innermost layer that is made up of squamous epithelium. Okay, and okay, then outermost layer pericardium. Okay, outer is pericardium, inner is endocardium pericardium. Okay, myocardium is the functional muscular layer. We all heart valve three layers. Pericardium is the outermost tough collective tissue layer, and myocardium is the middle functional muscular layer, and endocardium, it is the innermost epithelial tissue layer. Okay. Okay, which portion of the heart receives oxygenated blood? Okay, that you already know that oxygenated blood, that is left auricle. Auricle receive the left auricle receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins. Okay, left side. Oxygenated blood first enter to which chamber? That is already know the left atrium അല്ലെങ്കിൽ left auricle. That's its total number of chambers in heart, human heart. That's we already know that 4 chambers. That's it. Okay, how many chambers are there in the heart of a fish? It's 2 chambers. Deoxygenated blood from the body through via superior and inferior vena cava is received in, okay, right atrium. Okay, right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from the entire body through the superior and inferior vena cava and coronary sinuses. Okay. Okay, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood, and left atrium receives oxygenated blood. That's the correct. Left atrium, in case of left atrium, it's from pulmonary vein, and right atrium in case of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The only artery which supply deoxygenated blood, that's it correct. Pulmonary artery. From this right ventricle, pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. Okay. Okay, these are all the questions in the first video. Okay, this is related cardiovascular system. Please go through these questions. Each day I am posting each videos related to these various systems. These are important questions. These are firstly simple introduction of cardiovascular system. Please listen these questions, and this will surely help you for the nursing exams. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel and also like my video. I will next video we can see. Okay, thank you.